right, so those who are in the back can roll on over the hill. Wow, left lane, laying down 197 mile an hour. Wow.